Welcome to this tutorial on how to edit and use the Webwerkz function as a broker. To do that, you'll need to log into your broker tool site by putting in your brokerage's web address at the top and at the end, broker_tools. This will bring you to your broker tool login page. And go ahead and put in your username and password and click login now. Now just to make sure, it should say broker tools at the top, and then hello and your brokerage's name at the top right. Now to go to Webwerkz, just click on the Webwerkz tab at the top, and it will bring you straight to your home page controls. Now on the right, it'll actually have a live preview of your actual website, of your brokerage website. So you'll be able to see all your featured listings, sliders, testimonials, etc. Now these images right here, they are on a 3-slide system, so they'll keep sliding continuously on your page when their customer or you are on it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And to change those 3 images, you'll just click browse for each one, find a file off of your computer, an image off your computer, anything you want it to be. Click it and then click open. You'll do that for each slider. And next is the main image verbiage. There are 3 slides for each of the 3 images, so slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. Each one has a title, a tagline, a button text, and an actual button link. So the title right here is right here. It's bold, it's outlined in white, so it pops out. The tagline is just a short description, kind of reinforcing your main title right here. And then you'll be able to name or customize whatever the button text title that you want it to be. That's located right there. There's a button that's on the bottom. And then the button link. And you can link this to any one of your properties. You can link it to your about page, your services page, your communities, any one of your agents. You can just go to that page, copy the URL at the top like that, and paste it right in the button link. And you'll do this for each of the 3 slides. Then you have an option to add featured homes to your listings on your front page. And these are 6 main featured images or featured listings on your page. You can only have 6. But if you don't have any featured listings selected, it will auto-rotate, so there'll be random featured homes being listed. To change that, you can actually pick which 6 you want to view on there by clicking the plus button in the featured home section, and then actually selecting the MLS number from that featured listing or that listing that you want to make featured on your home. And you can do this 6 times, like I said. It only shows 6 properties at once. And to get rid of them, just click the X button. The next are the testimonials. And the testimonials will appear on the bottom underneath the featured listings right here. Have the name, the title of the testimony, and then also it's on a 3-slider just like the main images at the top. So we'll slide 1, 2, 3 and a complete rotation. So you can go ahead and name, add their title if they're an owner or an agent or whoever, and then add in their testimony. You'll do that for each slide if you have 3. If you don't, that's fine. Next is a little footer message. This is like a little introductory for your about page. So I'll say about Home123 Realty and have this little read more link. And that read more link goes straight to your about page right here. So you basically want it to be a short introductory paragraph about how you do business or what your brokerage is all about. So you can just edit it right in there. And then once you checked everything, all your images, your titles, featured homes, testimonials, you want to click save here. It's very important to save after each entry so you don't lose anything. Alright, next we're going to go to the about page. And the about page is just a quick little paragraph or couple paragraphs, however long you want it to be, about your brokerage, how you do business, and why your customers should choose you for their business. You can change the title there. Instead of "We connect you to the best," you can change it to something else. You can edit the paragraph. And if you want to read more about services, it has a little link there that goes straight to your services page. So each page can link to a different page. Unique to the broker, you can actually enter in agents' listing identification numbers so they'll appear on the right side. And this, you can link it to your own agent ID as a broker, or if you want to put your top 2 agents there, you can do it there. After you're done, make sure to save again to save that selection. And next is your actual services page. Now this is pretty creative because you can have 2 sections, 4 buyers, 4 sellers. Each section has 3 subsections to it. So you can go into more detail about your business and how you actually help people if they're a buyer or a seller. So you can change it the title if you don't want it to say 4 buyers. You can change the subhead underneath each section. And then you can change the title for all 3 sections in the very first section, like the 4 buyers. You'll change it there in the content paragraph box. You scroll down, the section B, Services Info, that is the second section where it says 4 sellers here. That's where it's actually located. So you can change the title and then content underneath. And again, unique to the broker, you can add specific agents to the services page. It can be your own or your top agents, whichever one you like it to be. After you have created all that content, make sure to save it. Click the Save button. Now we'll move on to communities. First, we're going to click on Community 1. You can go 1 through 6, whichever one. And it's like a little community telling about the actual area and what it's like. And you can change the image by clicking Browse and opening up a image file from your computer. So actually click on an image and click Open. You can rename the community to whatever you like. This one just says Chicago. I can name it to something else, like Park Forest or Buffalo Grove, anything. And then there's a little paragraph about the community, demographics, events, special things that happen within that community. It's all up to you what you want to say. You can add an agent. Let's say it's the top agent in that community, in that area. You can add them to that. Or, again, like I said, you can add your own broker, owner, agent ID number to that. Right underneath it are useful links. And those useful links are any links that can go to, if there's a park website or a community website for that specific area. So this one, I'm just going to put Park and Recreation for that area, and then you can put in the custom URL for the link. And you can add more links to that by clicking the plus button. If you want to delete them, just click on the X above the link. And then after you're done saving everything or creating everything, click Save. Again, to save the selection. Then you can go through and actually edit all 6 of your communities. These are the main 6. There's an option to have extra communities, 3 extra communities underneath. They will be put right here, an additional community links. You have space for 3 links there. You can name it anything you want to put in the text. And then you can actually, if we go up here real quick, like I said, you can name it, and then you can choose an actual property that you want to have it go to if you like, or you can put in a custom search link or another link outside of it. You can do that for all 3 other communities, additional communities. After you're done, make sure to save. It's very important to save that. Another very cool feature is a preview live button. Now, this will allow you to show your page and how you've edited it right there and then. So if I want to change this title, instead of saying "We connect you to the best," I'll just add agents to the end of that. And so it doesn't say it on there, but if I hit the preview live button, you see it pops up right there, agents. So any additions, anything I change to it, I can hit the preview live button and it'll show up on the right. You can do that to services, your community pages, anything. Just make sure to save your selections. And after you're done editing and checking everything, you can just go up to your top right and sign out.